Hi, good afternoon or good evening. My name is Elani Haro. This is for Bio 225. And for this experiment, we will be doing the Kirby-Bauer diffusion testing. So in this exercise, we'll perform the Kirby-Bauer diffusion test with the Staphylococcus epidermidis and 3 antibiotics, which are penicillin, novobiocin, and gentamicin. So for the preparation, I did the agar plating for about an hour ago, and then so after the hour passed, I disinfected my work area. I cleared it, safety precautions. I poured alcohol into a 9-ounce cup to sterilize my pipette and my tweezers that I will be using for this experiment. So I using the agar plate, I wrote down some lines and some writing. So this is for penicillin, this is the gentamicin, and this is for the novobiocin. So if you can see them, and they'll evenly line separate all 3 of the antibiotics. And then that's my labeled agar plate. So I have the candle here lit, and then I already expelled the alcohol from my pipette, and I'm letting it dry before I use it. Move that a little bit. And then I'm going to remove the lid from the Active S epidermidis broth that I used we've been using in previous experiments. I'm going to hold the lip of the vial above the candle flame to sterilize it. Okay. I'm going to carefully insert the pipette into the culture vial and drop 0.5 ml of the broth. Okay. And I'm going to quickly pipette 8 drops of the broth up to the center of the agar plate. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then I'm going to place my pipette in the bucket of bleach. And then I'm going to put my culture aside. I'm going to remove the L-shaped spreader from its packaging, making sure to only touch the long straight end. And I'm going to spread the broth evenly across the agar so the entire plate is coated with an even larger set of broth. So I'm going to do this. Making it evenly everywhere. Okay. Okay. Turn the page. And then I'm going to place the L-shaped spreader in the bucket of bleach. We're done with that. And I'm going to replace the lid on the plate. And I'm going to sterilize the lip of the culture vial by holding it against the light again. Alright, gonna blow out the candle. And then I'm going to allow the agar plate to remain undisturbed, lid side up, approximately 1 to 2 hours until the broth is absorbed by the agar. So, okay, and then we're going to leave it alone. And then once the broth has been absorbed into the agar, I'm going to remove the plastic tweezers from the alcohol and shake dry. Tweezers, alcohol. Using the sterile tweezers, I'm going to remove the penicillin disc from its plastic bag. Penicillin, it's right there. And I'm going to open the lid of the agar plate and quickly transfer the disc to the PNC section of the agar plate. And I'm going to gently press the disc onto the agar surface with the tweezers to ensure proper contact. And then I'm going to return the lid to the agar plate, and I'm going to place the tweezers in alcohol again for 30 seconds. And I'm going to remove them and shake dry, and I'm going to repeat the steps again for the remaining antibiotic discs, which are Novobiocin and gentamicin. And there it is. And then, just reading it, I'm going to record my hypothesis into my lab assistant. And then I'm going to let it incubate for 12 hours. Check the Kirby Bauer diffusion plate for bacterial growth, which should appear as a white film or lawn covering the agar. If no growth is observed, continue to incubate it for 12 more hours. So then I will do my observation on my lab report assistant. And then, yeah, thank you.